Hey everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of this dresser makeover. In our last video on this dresser, we had intention of refinishing it, but due to the white finish or filler deep in the grains, the exposed edge, and the differing veneer, we decided to change course. We put up a few options to vote on, and you all overwhelmingly chose to paint it in Fusion's color of Bellwood. I start by scuff sanding the piece, again, since I had put a coat of the stain and finishing oil on it. I did wait for the SFO to cure because we had other projects to complete, but it would have been possible to use a chemical to get the SFO off sooner if need be, but it wasn't worth rushing it in my opinion. Next, I prime everything with Rust-Oleum spray primer. I lightly sand everything down with a sanding pad after the primer has dried to ensure a nice, smooth finish. And as I mentioned earlier, this is Fusion Mineral Paint in the color Bellwood. And for those of you who ask, yes, we do paint the backs of most of our pieces, even if it's only a dry brush. We just don't typically show it, because you just never know how or where someone is going to display a piece. So I had to move operations back inside for the second coat because it was so hot out that the paint was drying way too quick to work it. As you can see, the hardware is silver underneath, and we just felt it needed a little pop of something, so I used my wire wheel to get any of the roughness and finish pitting off. Then I scuff sanded each piece for good adherence. I primed them. Sprayed them with a gold color spray paint. And finished them off with a clear coat for durability. And just as a reminder, here's what the piece looked like when we first started. And here's what it looks like now. So it may not have went exactly how we originally planned, but we still ended up with a refreshed and crisp looking MCM piece. Thanks everyone for your input and your votes, and as always, thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,